Hi everyone, welcome to my video. In this video I will show you my recently created landing page for my internship program. This is basically my level 1 and task number 1 in Oasis INFOBYTE internship program. So I created this is HTML file and this is the CSS file of my project. So first of all, I use the nav bar on the top of my project, and then this is a container. There are three sections. One is for web development, second web application, and third for WordPress development. So in the last I added footer and I gave basically 2 to 3 colors. One is this something like yellow, and one is gray, one is black. So this is my website. This is simple landing page. I added hover effect right here on these navbar links. Here is our text, man text. Here is man photo, and there are two buttons right here. One is contact and one is hire me. So if we scroll down our landing page, there is section for web development, next is for web application, and third one is WordPress. Okay, I added a photo from Google. In the last, here is a footer on my landing page. So this is very basic and simple landing page for my internship. If I show up my coding to you, and this is all coding, and there is my CSS file, you can see. So that's all for today's video. Thanks for watching, guys.